To add the Polygon network in the Safepal wallet, start by opening the Safepal application on your device. Navigate to the Wallet section where you can view and manage your various cryptocurrency assets. In the Wallet section, locate the Add Wallet button and click on it to initiate the process of adding a new network. This will prompt you to select the type of wallet you wish to add, which in this case is the Polygon network. Select the Polygon network from the list of available networks. Then proceed to the next step. You will be asked to confirm the addition of the Polygon network. Review the details to ensure they are correct, and then confirm. Once you have added the Polygon network, you will be able to view your Polygon wallet address and manage your Polygon assets within the Safepal wallet. To receive Polygon assets, navigate to the Receive section of your Polygon wallet and share your Polygon wallet address with the sender. To send Polygon assets, navigate to the Send section of your Polygon wallet, enter the recipient's Polygon wallet address, and specify the amount you wish to send. Review the transaction details carefully before confirming the transaction. It is essential to ensure that you are sending and receiving assets on the correct network to avoid any potential issues. Always double-check the wallet address and network details before initiating a transaction. By following these steps, you can easily add the Polygon network to your Safepal wallet and start managing your Polygon assets. Remember to always prioritize the security of your wallet and assets by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication.